Buongiorno carissimi, that means good morning everyone in Italian language. Later on I will explain you how I learn Italian. My name is Wajid Abbasi and I have been traveling as a homeless traveler for a couple of years now, and I have been living here in Italy North for more than a year. During my travels before, I have been in few countries and in many cities, but later on I believe that Italy is one of the most beautiful destination on the planet Earth, with wonderful people and amazing food and long history. Also, I have learned so many things here during my travels, and for me travel is not just about a travel or visiting a specific country. For me traveling is an proper education. So the basic reason why I am creating this video now, especially not in my native language, that is Urdu, why I'm creating this video in English language, I will explain you. This is Friuli Venezia Giulia, and I met with so many beautiful people during my journey with different beliefs and different cultures, many people with different backgrounds. So later on I realized that there are few people also around me who doesn't speak or understand Urdu language. So I would like to share some of my stories and ideas also with them, those who can relate with me in English language. So this is the idea, but the question is what my goal is. For me traveling is also an education. There are many things, there are so many things you cannot learn inside the classrooms, but during your travel you can unlock many files and you can learn so many new things. So my idea is, basically my goal is to reach and teach 100,000 people how to be a digital nomad and how to start or learn a new language from scratch. The basic reason why I'm creating this new video, to share some of your language experiences with you, and Italian culture, history, Italian food, coffee and pizza also. Moreover, then, not only big cities or famous cities, but also inside the cultures, inside the language, how in Italy culture works and how Italian people live genuinely. There are also many pros and cons in long-term traveling. You can far away from your family and friends for a long period of time. It's a big decision that left everything and manage everything from the scratch, to manage all the things accordingly. It's a quite difficult decision, but at the end it will be more worthwhile, I think so. At the end, traveling makes you realize that your life isn't a box. It opens new opportunities for you, new people, new friendships. You can learn how to take a risk. You can make new friends all around with different beliefs and different backgrounds. That teaches you communication and public relations, and for the most important and my favorite aspect in traveling, you can learn a new language. You can connect with different people with different backgrounds and norms and learn a new specific language. Learning a new language, it's overall a fun language, fun process. You can deeply learn or understand the values of the culture and art and specific history. So this is the main benefits of this idea. So the conclusion is, the basic thing is, at the end of the day, traveling as a nomad, not a typical tourist. Okay, and at the end, for further details and stories, you can follow more, or we can make a deal. I will teach you basic Italian and show you culture and places all around. You give me a subscribe. Perfect deal. So see you from the next place. My name is Wajid Abbasi. Good morning from Italy. Assalamu alaikum.